We got 190 over here.
230.
That hurt, y'all. Seeing Poppy with his hair, without his hair, hurt. It hurts. And sometimes when you're going through that type of stuff, you think that you by yourself going through it. A lot of people forget about people who go to jail. And you know one thing, Chief, he always, man, when he was in the DeKalb County jail, he would always look out after everybody, because a lot of people, families would just forget about him, not give him no money on their commissary, and he always made sure anybody who was around was eating. He always made sure that people was around him was able to talk to their family. Some people families couldn't pay for them collect calls, so he would let them, he would pay for the calls.
That's facts. That's facts.
So Chief is always looking out
Thankful.
after people wherever they go.
Like the title says, families stick together.
Yes.
When you have a loved one that's going through something, you just don't leave them.
Yeah. Well, in support of Chief, we decided to, hey, cut our antenna.
Pyramid. We are one.
What?
We are one.
We just cut our antenna.
What y'all thought we was gonna do? What they did?
Right.
Turn on Chief like they did? No, we know Poppy. We know his heart, and we his family.
Yes.
We would never do that. So look out here. We went shade too.
Straight cutting.
What you do to him,
cutting too.
you do to us.
Yeah.
When he go through, we go through.
Yeah, we're not
So,
separate.
Yeah. We're sticking together. This just shows our love and our support for our
Our
family.
loyalty.
me baby then.
I'm just joking.
You joking? For real? You just serious?
I don't know. I just be wanting to call you what you want to be called.
Somebody said call me Mandingo Baba G.
Baba G.
Mandingo Baba G.
This is my command.
Where my babies at?
They over here. They was painting them hours ago.
What's up, baby? What's up?
We are one.
We just cut our antenna.
What y'all thought we was gonna do? What they did?
Right.
Turn on Chief like they did? No, we know Poppy. We know his heart. And we
You're my reflection, I thought I'd tell ya. Separation's an illusion. I am you and you are me. Let's stop fighting one another.
Hard. 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 Nuapu kalun hayu ina hazibi garo ganshayu disova karu rantu karu nuka milu zili banho yokin hisa nuka khuz wabuli alum antu sofa la goy kara anu ni aksa took nuka brief for took bisa foi da you
have no water kalun nitir nit rayub amunet nitir di kalun bahagu nuapu wala gut nit khayub how such a gun bakaru hat like zoom tafu
until this we not so and I see a world I will eat it so for kamba high gonna be a while eating a deer but who's your kashina shaku sakla ala bashes are you ala akuna.
Another reason. Don't fight for it because he's innocent of a molesting kid.
Let's say he molested 1,000 children. Factually.
Okay.
Genetic evidence and everything. Things that we don't deny. Scientifically, we say, wow, okay, true. If someone was to ask me, would you still worship him as your Most High, acknowledge him as your Most High God. I would have to. I don't identify with everything he does there, much like I believe most Christians don't identify with everything their God does, because it says their God is a jealous God, and some Christians would tell you it's not right to be jealous.
Fuck Polight. Yeah. I'ma get mad rude with this dude named Polight. Before we sat on the bench, this time I came to fight. I heard your raps, it ain't as nice. I brought truth to you, not pay the price. Prison walls is where you'll spend your days and nights. For touching our babies, you should be facing life.
To 20 people, children were being molested. We have to now say, how come the adult wasn't saying nothing? Shouldn't they be locked up with Dr. Young too? How come they're free to testify about it?
You understand the adults were separated from their children. You know, so you had the girls in one house, the boys in one house, the women in one place, the brothers in one place. You know, everybody was separated. So it wasn't no house with a family.
And I didn't want to protect him, but I couldn't speak out because I knew that would become physically abusive for me. I knew that I wasn't gonna be able to reel my document that way. So what I did was I participated in all the sexual activity. Like, I'm right here. It got to the point where he separated the women and the men. And he put us in 2 different houses, and he was in the house with the women, and the men were neglected, pretty much. And when he got all of the women in the house together, that same day, he had proceeded to have sex with everybody. That same day, all of the women, including me. And he did whatever he wanted to with us. Whatever he wanted to, and he did it for about 2 weeks until, you know, the other women were like, well, Zoka, she wanted to be with Solar, and she was pregnant, you know, with Solar's baby, so she wanted to be with him, and Nature Boy was still having sex with her, and she didn't have a choice.
Atumre. I am a student teacher of the master teacher, Pamanzal Nizdar Amun Nabab Re Ahpata, Hu Kawan Hara. He is free. Gatekeepers are born totally feminine in body with a male spirit, or totally masculine in body with a female spirit. So the anatomy is a woman completely with all the physical attributes of a female with a male spirit inside of her, or a male with all the physical attributes of a male with a female spirit inside of him.
Bitch, you can't touch her. She was sent to me. I ordered her myself, made her myself. Yeah, get the tea on that. Beautiful, eh? She looked just like my baby mother. Take your hand down, baby. Eat, eat, eat. This is your new queen, motherfucker. This is your new queen, bitches. Eat. Feast. Yeah. Is she a transsexual? Yes. Yes. Yes, she is. Always wanted one, just like her.
Yeah, man. I don't look like a girl. I look like my daughters. My daughters look like me. They look just like me. I'm about to get my hair done, so y'all can say whatever y'all want to say.
I never seen you in this light, Polly God.
Oh wait, let me tie my hair because I don't know if you're gonna be on some live shit.
Baby. Nah, don't be nah. Hold on, baby. Hold on, baby. Listen to me, baby. Listen. Don't leave. God damn, you was a badass Dominican Joe.
Nah, that's come on, my nigga. Don't do that.
Yo, please do that again.
Don't do that. I'm getting my hair braided. You can't be like that. You can't be a poly man and do that.
Oh my goodness. You gotta show me that hair again, sweetheart. I never looked at you like that before.
Wow. Nature boy, you sick.
I'm gonna be all the way real with you, my nigga. Don't go to jail. And don't get in the shower. Don't get in the shower and don't go to jail. Don't go to jail and don't go to jail and wash your hair at the same time. Don't do that. Cause
my nigga, you know when I go to jail,
I swear you would have been my girl.
Flip that shit upside down, nigga. When I go to jail, nigga.
Oh yeah, the punks run prison. Bro. The punks run the prison. The punks run prison.
The punks run prison?
Y'all the ladies of the prison, of course you shut shit down. Because we men, we gentlemen. We gentlemen, we gonna treat you right.
Yo,
hey, you know what they say. You know what they say, right? As long as she happy, we happy. So we gentlemen. Of course,
you will be a sick.
You run the prison, baby.
You look like your name be top.
Let you run it. That's
you
my
be fucking all the transsexuals in the
but
jail.
You know what? You know, the only thing I don't like about you, baby, is you run your motherfucking mouth too much, bitch.
You know, their own things that's going on sexually when they like, maybe they were touched, maybe they were, you know, most of us have had some kind of abuse. You see what I'm saying? They come from broken backgrounds. And did you feel left out, and that's why you maybe said that? Like,
yeah. I watched you say things that most people don't even have the courage to say. And I was like, okay, well, this is a part of the journey. So I have to talk about things that I know that I wasn't readily able to talk about in Babylon. I chose not to talk about it. It was 5 things. It was did I possibly have touched my Babylon sister? That was 1. Liking transsexual porn, attempting suicide at one point, 2 women getting an abortion, at least they said they got an abortion at that time. Just things that I know I never.
Like remember Polight was over there with them trainings and all that.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, listen to this, man. When I pull up, and you can see all over my Facebook, I can park my car, and people always come by. Can I take a picture? This is all the time. I can show you tons of videos. If I'm in my slingshot, my ghost,
the nigga was not in my life car.
Or the I-8. My car, both those shit's mine. My man Yada was in town, so he's driving my slingshot. If you go on Yada page, you're gonna see him in that car. He's driving the slingshot. That's from that night. Go to Yada Awakening page, you're gonna see him in the slingshot. That's not his car. He's not from Cali. So I give him the slingshot so he do his thing. You know what I mean? I'm doing my thing in the I-8 that same night. My car's parked in front of that car. Right. My I-8 is parked right in front. So we pull up in front of the club. We doing our thing. People come over. Yo, we could take a picture. Y'all love your car. I'm hanging out with an actress from that night. That's the girl with the gold hair in her head. That's the person I'm fucking with. I'm hanging out with her the whole night. You know, at one point she's like, yo, I want to go to the other car and take pictures too. So I'm like, yo, come on, let's go over there. We take pictures. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I don't know who's a tranny and all this. People coming to the car wanting to take pictures and hang out. So I let them fucking take their pictures. So it's only now I'm hearing. Ain't no car show. It's a car show when I pull up. Ain't no car show. That's just me and my man pulling up in front of the club, showing off.
So the tranny next to that was your car?
Both cars is the vehicles coming from my circle. Yada's driving the slingshot. That's the one with the 3 wheels, the blue shit. I drive the I-8. My shit is parked in front of it. That's what I'm doing the whole night. I'm parked in front of it. That's what I'm doing the whole night. I'm parked in front of it. So if you don't mind, I'm hearing. It's only now I'm hearing. Ain't no car show. It's a car show when I pull up. Ain't no car show. That's just me and my man pulling up in front of the club, showing off. So
So the tranny next to that was your car?
got something already up in you, bro. Don't let your heart be consumed with hate. And it's crazy how much people got hate in them. And I felt they hate in their heart. And I'm like, wow, your heart is heavy. You want to talk? Yo, you ready to condemn me? You ready to bash me? You ready to kill me? That's a sin. When they was about to stone the lady that was a prostitute in the Bible, they was about to stone her because by law she was supposed to get stoned because she was a prostitute, she was a whore. And they asked the Messiah, they asked the teacher, like, what we supposed to do? He said, he without sin cast the first stone. Everybody dropped their stone and we're walking, and then he told her to repent and go about her way. So even if you find a real pedophile, don't let your hate out your heart. Go get help, man. Go get some help, man. I got women hitting me like, don't ever fucking talk to me. I'm like, the fuck? They joined the bandwagon? Like, you really? Whatever. That shit wild crazy to me. I'm like, okay. Like, that shit, well, you ain't nobody that I want to fuck with anyway if you gonna fucking believe that shit. Even if you do find a real pedophile, you find a criminal, have mercy. Don't let that hate consume you. Only God gonna judge that person. You ain't got to sit here and be the judgment or let hate out on, cause you hurt people. Yo, let that person let their universe deal with them, yo. That's fucked up, and that ain't something I get into, but that's fucked up. But I ain't gonna go over here and consume hate in my heart to the point where I'm gonna go touch that person or wanna hurt that person or create a voodoo doll. The fuck?
Another reason. Don't fight for it because he's innocent of a molesting kid.
Let's say he molested 1,000 children. Factually. Okay. Genetic evidence and everything. Things that we don't deny scientifically. We say, wow, okay, true. If someone was to ask me, would you still worship him as your Most High, acknowledge him as your Most High God? I would have to. I don't identify with everything he does there, much like I believe most Christians don't identify with everything their God does, because it says their God is a jealous God, and some Christians would tell you it's not right to be jealous.
Like you're failing this 14-year-old girl, innocent girl, who has had her innocence taken away from her because of punk-ass bitches like you and this pissy-tail-ass, funky-mouth-ass motherfucker here. You thought, just like them white men taught you to thought. That's what you did. You didn't even consider, could this be true? When have I ever spoken about Brother Polight right here? And the reason I'm calling him Polight because he's a pedophile. Yeah.